Hey everyone, welcome fans of Diablo. So this video is going to go over how to get the Diablo 2 SHIFTFEST with Plugy and also with glide wrapper so the game can look better. Now, all you really need for this are your digital CD keys. So if you only have physical CD keys, you can go straight to the Blizzard website and turn those into digital CD keys. Now what I've got installed right now is just regular old Diablo 2 1.14, a fresh install straight from Blizzard's website. And I can play the game just fine. Everything works. I can go on Battle.net. Now, what I want to do, how we're going to set this up is we're going to keep 1.14 ready to go. So that if flat resets, or if you want to play online, or if you just want to play the vanilla game, you have it. So let's go ahead and do that. Now this whole process takes 4 different files, and all of these are going to be in the description of the video. First, we have the Legit Diablo 2 installer. What this basically is this was the installer from Blizzard's website years ago, back when it was 1.12. Now, one of the reasons this is so complicated, if you start with 1.14, you can't downgrade. And we have to be on patch 1.13. We can't be on 1.14. So this is what that whole process basically is. We're starting from the ground up. All right, so I got the Legit D2 installer extracted, ready to go. The first thing we're going to do is confuse the installer. Let's just go ahead and open it. And it should say play Diablo 2. Okay, great. Now, we're going to go ahead and go to our Diablo 2 folder. And let's just rename it. Diablo 2 1.14. And then we'll make a new shortcut. Diablo 2, send to the desktop. And I like to add -W, make it windowed mode. Okay, cool. Now, whenever we run the installer, I don't think it's going to say play. I think it'll say install. Okay, great. Perfect. So let's go ahead and install a fresh copy of Diablo 2. All right, it's me. Okay, so I'm going to copy and paste my CD key. I don't want you guys to see that. Okay. And we'll just install it in Diablo 2. Cool. Okay, let's get the expansion ready to go. I got my CD key ready to go. Install Diablo 2 expansion. Yeah. Cool. Alright, so now we have our 2 Diablo 2 shortcuts. I'm just going to rename this to 1.14. So this should still be ready to go, 1.14. Okay, great. We can still connect online. And then we have the one that we just installed. I'm going to go ahead and make that windowed mode as well. .12. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Now, don't connect to Battle.net. What we have to do is we're going to patch it to 1.13. So that file's ready to go. I extracted that. Let's just go ahead and run this. Okay, now it's probably going to try and open the game on full screen, which I don't want. Okay. All right, so Diablo 2. Nice, 1.13, ready to go. Perfect, that's what we wanted. Don't connect to Battle.net. Don't get to battle.net on this one. All right. D2SC, we've got this ready to go. Let's go ahead and install it. Yep, install Diablo 2 folder, perfect. We're not going to touch our 1.14 folder. Now, I'm on Windows 10. So before anything, I'm going to go ahead and right-click this, go to compatibility, and run for Windows XP Service Pack 3, and make sure this is running as admin as well. You have to do this. At least I did. If I didn't have this stuff checked, then it wouldn't work. Okay, D2SE. Let's just make sure this works. Okay, so let's try 1.13c. Let's have glide wrapper, windowed mode, and let's have Plugy ready to go. And start the plugin. Okay, cool. So, Plugy's working. Glide wrapper's working. It's all good to go. Alright, now there's no SHIFTFEST out here yet. That's kind of the last step for us.
Help! Help me! Help!
I'm gonna go ahead and just delete this this shortcut. We don't really need it. You just need your 1.14 and you need your D2SE ready to go. All right, let's go ahead and get SHIFTFEST installed. So let's open this folder, and then you'll see there's another folder that just says SHIFTFEST for D2SE. Perfect. We're gonna go ahead and copy this. Now, we need to go to our original Diablo 2 folder, so I guess I shouldn't have deleted the shortcut, whatever. Okay, so Diablo 2, program files, Diablo 2. We're going to go in here, and you should see some new folders. You'll see D2SE, you'll see mods, and you'll see Plugy. We're going to go to mods. We're not going to D2SE, we're going to mods. And we're going to copy our SHIFTFEST folder, or just drag it over here. Cool. So now you should have your Diablo 2 folder, the mods folder inside of that, the SHIFTFEST folder inside of that with all this stuff ready to go. Now let's go ahead and test this and make sure it works. D2SE. Cool. Now on the bottom we have the SHIFTFEST. We'll go ahead and select that. Make sure glide wrapper is good to go. Windowed mode, Plugy. And this is important. Make sure these two things down here are checked. This is essentially what enables the SHIFTFEST. And sorry, I forgot to mention, you do have two options up here, Start Plugin and Start Diablo 2. If you hit Start Diablo 2, that just loads up vanilla Diablo 2. We're going to always use Start Plugin. Okay. Alright, set up single player. Rah, 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 rah. Now we got Plugy working, Glide's working. Is there a SHIFTFEST out here? I really hope so.
Help me.
Oh lord, yes there is. Perfect. Nice, free kills. Alright. Good. Good. Alright. And that's really all there is to that. You can start making some new characters and just having fun. This SHIFTFEST is so much fun. It's even funner if you have Plugy, and I really like being able to use it with Glide Wrapper. If you're not happy with the default Glide Wrapper settings, make sure you just go to Configure Glide right here. And then you can go to settings, and I like this because it has windowed mode. It keeps the mouse captured in the game. You can select the size of the window, and then a few other things as well. Okay, cool. Well, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the YouTube video, or if I'm live on Twitch, I'm more than happy to answer questions as well. You know, I really enjoy the SHIFTFEST mod, and I'm glad that other people have been playing it as well. And you know, big shout outs to Izzy for making it for the channel. And also, shout outs to Blazer for helping get this setup ready to go. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have been able to do this. So, cheers. I'll see you guys later. Ah.